Hi, I'm Jason with Broadmoor RV SuperStore. Today we're here to look at the Micro Minnie 2108DS made by Winnebago. Come on, let's go take a look. In the 2108DS, we have a Murphy bed with a couch and then another couch that turns into a bed and acts as a dinette. Along with the dinette, it comes with a microwave and a 3-burner cooktop. It comes with an 8 cubic foot refrigerator that runs off of gas or electricity, so if you are plugged in, you don't have to use your gas to run the refrigerator, you can use electricity. The 2108DS also has a bathroom with a nice size shower and plenty of storage. The 2108DS also has fiberglass siding with Azdel, and this model comes with electric stabilizer jacks on the front and the back. If you walk down, it does have Goodyear tires, American made, and it also has pass-through storage in the front where you can store lawn chairs and barbecuers. This model comes with an electric tongue jack and 2 30-pound propane tanks for your convenience. The ComfortTech package offers laminated block foam sidewalls, extreme weather radiant foil wrapping, insulated heated ducts, heated holding tanks, and enclosed underbellies. The 2108DS has roof mount solar prep, large off-road tires, propane heating systems, heavy-duty axles and suspension, Wi-Fi prep, battery disconnect, and an awning with LED lighting all the way down. So that's it for the Micro Minnie 2108DS. Come on down, take a look, give us a call, make an appointment. We'd love to see you here at Broadmoor RV, where we make camping fun.
When it comes to service, we're #1 at Broadmoor RV. We make camping fun.